direction are we headed in?
Like that way. Wait, Kenny. Are you high right now? Yeah, but I'm good. I already peaked.
Jesus Christ, Kenny, we're completely lost.
Wait, you guys. This way. It looks like an old camper van. Ana, não tá no barco. Eu preciso que você faça uma busca na área.
Os homens estão com medo de continuar na selva.
Não importa. A gente tem que encontrar ela. What is that?
Oh, maybe Santiago's sleeping in there.
Hola.
Whoa. Looks totally abandoned.
Anybody home?
Maybe some food and water. Yeah, we could stay here. At least tonight. Oh, man, there's gotta be snacks in here. That's where that guy went.
Oh my God, what is out there? We gotta go now!
Okay, go.
Let's go! We can't let it crush the van! Crush the van?
It's not working. What? It's not. It's a camper van. Probably. It's got a split charge battery. The relay probably popped off. It's underneath the hood.
Kenny, can you fix it?
Usually I could fix it, yes, but I'm still having some visual problems because of the... You did it to me again! You did it on the wedding video and then you're wasted off your ass! Again! I'm really sorry, boss. Oh, Buffalo sober! You're Buffalo sober! Do you have any more?
Griff, please, can you fix it?
I think I'm better suited to be our wheelman. What are you talking about? I've always been a better driver than you. No, you've been a safer driver. I passed the driver's test on my first try. You took 3 times. Yeah, but that's because of yield. I didn't know. Now I know what that is.
Oh my God, we're gonna die.
Sorry. I'll just fix it.
patrol the jungles around here. These guys are dangerous. They'll kill anyone who crosses into their territory.
Ah, shit! They're trying to kill us! Why are they shooting at us?
Rip, can't you drive any faster? Whoa, whoa, Adam, what are you doing?
Eddie, are you getting this? Yes! Keep rolling!
Rip, faster!
Only one left! Where is she?
Oh my god.
Where is she?
Who do you mean?
I know there's someone else here, so where is she?
Let's go, come on. We gotta go, fast.